Hey guys, my name is Afzal. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to create the edge of the world effect in your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Sound interesting? You must have seen this effect in the Pirates of the Caribbean at World's End movie, where the ship is about to fall off the edge of the world, and that was a really interesting effect. We are going to create a similar effect in this video. Let's begin by bringing the video onto the timeline and go to the effects. Search for flip, drag and drop the horizontal flip onto the video clip, and go to the effects again and search for mirror. Drag and drop the mirror onto the video clip again, go to the effects control panel, click on the mirror and change the reflection angle to 45. Now adjust the x-axis to the point where you see it fits. Well, now let's play the video. It feels like as this ship is trying its best to fall off the edge of the world. Well, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.